first step is remove the bezel, is what they call it. Okay, got the first part off. Craziness. Remove battery, use flathead, remove bezel. Oh fuck, I didn't remove the battery. Remove all screws around frame of LCD and 3 screws at bottom. Damn, dude, you can't get some of these screws out. Yeah. Oh my god, they make this shit so tight, man. Fucking hurt your hand. There we go. Okay, guys. Is that it? So, lift screw from bottom and slide out and put down. Alright. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Oh, I was supposed to do this. Ha ha ha. Okay. Two, 3, 4, 6, 7. Alright, so I got my screen out. Guess, I don't know, man. This is scary. Alright, so finally I got all the screws and wires in place. This is a bitch. Only 15 screws to go. Woohoo! And this is the boring part. Screwing this shit back in. Using tiny screws and a tiny screwdriver. Very, very not fun. But I'm almost done. Oops. Alright, here's the test of if it worked. Woo! Yes. Awesome. Yeah.